Alright, I finally upgraded my phone. Let's check it out. Obviously comes with a power cord, as well as the little accessory kit that comes with things like a sticker and a SIM card key. Really nice, clean looking screen, clear, contrasting, and clickable buttons, a couple beautiful looking camera lenses, and overall a nice, beautiful blue color on this one. Let's try to turn it on. Starts right up. So we pick our language, we pick our location, we log into our Wi-Fi, and then it will take a moment to activate. We continue through data and privacy. We set up Face ID, which you do by first positioning your face in front of the camera frame and then moving your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. Then you have the option to set up Face ID with a mask, but it says that it's most accurate when you have it for full face recognition only. So if you set it up to work with a mask, it's going to focus on the unique features around your eyes to authenticate who the user is. And to make this choice, you either just have to say use Face ID with a mask or don't. Then your Face ID will be set up. Then you create a 6-digit passcode. Then you have the option to restore your iPhone if you've had a previous one, and then you can enter in your Apple ID. And then you must accept the T's and C's. And as you can see, it will take a minute to set up your Apple ID. So I'm going to make this my new iPhone by just hitting continue. You can see it uploads my previous credit cards and it'll have those in my wallet. You can connect this to the iCloud keychain that just makes sure that all your passwords and credit card information that you save is secure and up to date on all the devices that you approve. Then you got to set up Siri. This is their voice activation software. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Hey Siri is now ready. And then to talk to Siri, you just have to press and hold the side button at any time. You can decide to help with their software. So here you can select display zoom on the standard size. It's just going to be, everything's going to be the normal size that it would be. On the zoom size, it's going to make things a little bit bigger, but you're not going to have as much to see on screen. Now that we're on our iPhone, let's swipe up to get started. If you swipe up, you can allow for Face ID or for the passcode. You can see it's got a gorgeous display, it's nice and responsive. This is a great phone, and it really feels like a lot of the other iPhones I've used, so that you kind of know exactly where everything is at and how to use everything based on previous experience with these things. So far it's a great phone and I'm really impressed. I'm really excited to go more in depth with this in another video. But if you found this unboxing video helpful, please hit that thumbs up button.